Hey everybody, welcome to Titans of CNC Academy. My name is Billy Boyce, and today I'm going to take you through designing TITAN-89L in Fusion 360. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing we want to do is make sure we are in design. We're going to come up here to create sketch. Go ahead and click that guy, and let's choose the front plane. I'm going to go ahead and come up to sketch, line. I'm going to click right here and kind of drag it over to the left. We're going to go ahead and do the full length of the part, 1.265. Enter. Kind of zoom in here. I can press L on the keyboard for line and come up to the icon, click line. Or since it was the last thing I did, I can right click and say repeat line. I'm going to go ahead and snap right here, bring this up. What I'm going to do is kind of quickly sketch out the profile. I'm just kind of looking at it. I'm not going to care if it's perfect. Something like that. Now we can go ahead and use all the constraints to get everything in line and looking a little better. So I'm going to press escape to get out of the line command. I'm going to come up here to horizontal, vertical in the constraints. I'm going to click that guy. I'm going to click this one, that one, this one. These appear to be okay, but I'm going to just go ahead and click them. Down here, it's giving us a little error saying, yeah, these are already horizontal and vertical. So I'm going to go ahead and hit escape. I'm going to come up here and look for collinear. I want this one and that one to stick together. So when I move them, they move together. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some dimensions now. So we're going to go sketch dimensions. Go from here to here. That's a dimension of 0.490. We're only doing half that, so we'll say divided by 2. Enter. Go from here to here. That's a diameter of 0.330 divided by 2. Enter. Go here to here. We actually have a dimension of 0.475. Go ahead and stick with that. We've got one from here to the point, 0.375. So we have that diameter, this diameter, that one, and that one. So now let's go ahead and start these dimensions. 0.350. From here to here, we'll skip. That's a 0.55. Enter. From here to here, 0.450. From here to here, 0.9. From there to here, 0.965. Enter. So now we need to go ahead and add the little round cutouts here on the side. I'm just going to kind of snap these circles here. So I just went up to create circle, snap those down real quick. Then I'm going to press D on the keyboard for dimension. I'm going to click this one circle and put a 0.120 dimension to it. I'm then going to come up here to the constraints, click equal, select the one with the dimension and the one without, and it'll force that dimension over here. And that way if I change this dimension, this guy will change as well. Let's go ahead and get these in line with each other so we don't have to add secondary dimensions. So we're just going to say horizontal, vertical. I'm going to hit escape. So now I can move these around like that. We could either go to the icon, press D for dimension, choose that center line. This guy here, we have a dimension of 0.505, enter. And now we'll do these ones, 0.125, here to here, 0.775, enter. Okay, so now we can go ahead and do a couple fillets. Come up here to modify, fillet, do that one and that one, 0.015, enter, right click, repeat fillet, and do this one here, 0.035, enter, and now we'll come up here to line or press L on the keyboard. I'm going to kind of mimic the drilled hole, press D for dimension, there to there. We'll give that an angle of 70. Let's go ahead and do the diameter. 0.313 divided by 2. Enter. And then we have a maximum of 0.6. Enter. Okay, that looks good. So we're going to go ahead and say Finish Sketch. We're going to come up here to Create, Revolve. Choose that one right there. We'll come over here to Axis. Choose our first center line. We'll say OK. Now we just need to add a couple chamfers. So we'll go Modify, Chamfer. Here and here. That's a 10th thou, 0.01. Enter. Right click. Repeat chamfer. And we'll get these two edges here. 0.035. Enter. And there you go. That is the Titan 89L.